Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be going over the weekly watch list. So what stocks that I'm watching: Delta Airlines, BA, Moderna, Amazon, CVS, Fastly, and Mara. Now the first thing, before I actually go into the stocks and the technical analysis, is the catalysts. Okay, I want to be checking if we have any catalyst, any economic concerns this week. Now investing.com/economic calendar, and make sure to filter it out to the correct ones. Okay, so click United States and click the 3-star one. Now right over here we have some major catalyst for this week, which is why I'm very concerned about this week. We have the Fed interest rate decision and the FOMC press conference and the FOMC statement, and then we have the unemployment rate on Friday. So overall, not the best week to trade, and I'll be definitely not looking to trade Wednesday and Friday, because again we have those catalysts that where it's just gonna block off TA technical analysis. So I would be very careful. Again, most likely just a great week to take off. We are going to be getting some very nice weeks for Christmas, but this week does not look too good since we have a lot of catalysts. Now, the first stocks that are in my watch list is BA, Delta Airlines, and specifically just overall airline stocks for this week. Okay, what I'm looking at right over here is, for example, Delta Airlines. We're in this major downtrend right over here, and we're about to hit COVID levels. Okay, so again, right over here is the COVID levels right over here. As you can see, this is a major support right over here. Now, this is actually is a head and shoulder, which is a bearish pattern, but just with this scenario, this is a major support. Now, we got some news over the weekend that American Airlines canceled more than 1,400 weekend flights. So we could definitely see a drop on airlines, and I'll be watching this support right over here. Now, what do I do? Make sure to set a alert. Okay, I left the trading view um, referral link down below for premium if you want to set out more alerts, but please set these alerts. Now, right when it hits my support, I'll be looking to get some calls on it or even some shares right over here. Okay, on my long-term channel right over here, I'm actually thinking of shares, which they're looking very nicely right over here. Now, not just Delta Airlines, we have AAL right over here. And again, we're about to hit this COVID level right over here. As you can see, this cup right over here, this is the COVID level from March to December right over here. All of this is COVID level. And if we hit that level, I'll be looking to buy in the dip. Same with Jets, which is a ETF. I'll be setting reminders for all of them. Okay, so make sure to set alerts for all of them. Okay, this week airlines are looking very nice to buy off the support, but I did held a BA call over the weekend, so it might actually drop at open right over here. Um, but I will be looking to buy the dip on shares. Now the next stock that I'm looking at is Moderna. So right over here, Moderna has earnings coming up right over here on December 4th. So that's Thursday, I believe. And right over here, as you guys can see, we have this very nice symmetrical triangle and we have this very nice gap. Now, what I would do is I would set a alert right at the gap entry. Right when we enter the gap, I'll be looking to get a weekly call to play this gap fill. This looks very nice right over here, especially with earnings run up. It will definitely be very interesting, okay? Because again, it is a vaccine company, and Moderna has been killing it with their vaccines. So this looks very nice. Make sure to set an alert, okay? You guys need to get reminded on these alerts, and when it breaks out, I'll be looking to alert it on Discord. The next stock that I'm watching is Amazon. Now, overall, Amazon is a great buy. I'm still working on the Amazon video. I'm waiting for my new microphone to ship in, and then I'll be making a very nice video on Amazon. Now, as you guys can see, it's been trading for sideways for literally a year. I'm actually in I have around $4,000 on Amazon calls right over here. So as you guys can see, this is just one of my call. I have 2,000 in this call, and then I have some other at the money call like 3,500. But as you guys can see, I'm very very bullish on Amazon long term. Right over here, as you can see, we're trading very nicely. But right over here, we're about to approach this major resistance for Christmas, and then we have this downtrend breakout right over here. So overall, Amazon is a great buy either way. The next stock that I'm looking at is CVS. As you guys can see, CVS is forming this cup and handle right over here. Just a cup right now, but I'm actually looking to get calls right at open because I think we are about to hit 90 very soon. We do have earnings on uh, November 3rd. Okay, so again, holding through earnings is a gamble. The next stock we have is Fastly. This is kind of like a channel, okay, or some would say like a bull flag right over here. This will be our stop loss right over here. I'm looking to play this resistance right over here, and then our price target would be right over here. So look, calls, above 51, and then price target 52.44, which is very very nice play. It looks very nice right over here, and major resistance right over here. The next stock that I'm looking at is another cup. Now this is Mara. If we actually look at the weekly, it looks very, very nice. Now the thing is, it is following Bitcoin right over here. Bitcoin already broke out all-time highs, and Mara is kind of lagging behind right over here. If we compare it to Hot, which is another blockchain company which mines uh, cryptos and stuff, um, they're also looking kind of like the same. So I'm actually already in hot shares, but Mara also does look very, very nice for a monthly call. Okay, so this will be a monthly call, and I'm looking at this breakout right over here of the symmetrical triangle. So overall, very very simple video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video on the weekly watch list. As for the market, like the S&P 500, I'm not too sure honestly. I think we're mostly gonna trade sideways this week because again, we have these catalysts holding the uncertainty. So I'm definitely thinking we're gonna be trading sideways. So again, please be very very cautious and a great week to take off. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and turn notifications on. See you guys tomorrow at